Yan yung sounds lang. Bukubog.
To the moon.
Lamit ya tan.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Dang, who knew all the planes we flew, good things we've been through.
Actually, it's not a number of years.
Right here,
It's
talking to
about
you
the pain that you feel and the reason bakit you finally say it's over. So you have our shoulder to cry on and what? Malungkot na si Pew Pew. Malungkot na si Pew Pew.
Malaya.
Buhay, wala yun.
Wala ka, Max Man, sa
Yung totoo.
Ikaw mo naman ka. And your teddy bear is so big.
Nangaisip yung kaloko niyo. Pepaltoya pa mo yung edad ko.
Nandito sulod na. Tang sulod na. Pains. Pang nanita, pang formal dareng. Ali, ako tiya ako, negosyante ko ako mag-hins.
Ayaw mo da?
Oh.
Mali mo kayo.
Pag formal dareng nanita. Dareng.
Ay, di ba barkada?
Bababarkadang nan.
Na?
Sinabi mo ito?
Yun ako sinabi na.
Wala na natin.
Ano ako sinasabi? Pero dapat yung ano, stira sa yung cross.
No.
Hindi na bitch ka cross.
Mantala uniform ba sa bungero? Ay, damn, piulo.
Alis! Kamusta ka na? Ano ka lemon? Nagatam. Uy, di na namin yung pal. Binawal na ng Papa Jesus.
Walang Papa Jesus yung miminom.
Alito ni Kai. Alright. Bye, Diyos. Bakwat. I'm still in love with you.
Ang lalaki yung mga tao yung kinakanta nyo.
Miss you like crazy.
O yung ipapublish to, please na.
We have a possible winner by the Echo Seat.
Ganda, ma'am.
Congratulations po. The correct, listen carefully. Which Hogwarts house does Harry Potter belong to? That was clicked by the...
Tiniro. Pang-advance ka din.
Long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Wala.
Request lang. Tumayo ka na.
May ano ka? May 1,000 bills ka?
Meron. Oo, sige.
Maghulungan kayo, maghulungan kayo. Yun lang maghulungan, parang di kayo ano.
Go,
Ayaw! Ang mga, alam mo, pag may sumayo dito, automatic mga camera, naka-ready yan.